Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Sunday 10th of April. And what is going on with Solana? Okay, now we were about to actually meet our technical target, which was 155, and I don't know why crypto likes to do this, but we just went up a little bit like this, and we made a shooting star and some bearish candlesticks right over here, and ever since that we start to retrace to the downside. Now, is this the end of the retracement, or are we going to go further down? Now, my take about it is that we are going to continue actually to go down because of how Bitcoin is. So do watch Bitcoin on the channel, and Bitcoin is actually looking to go a little bit more down to the 40,000 region, and the weekly is not looking good for any coin at this point of time. So the weekly time frame is really bad. Okay, I'm going to show you the weekly time frame. It's like on the weekly you can already see, even on Solana, we are about to put a bearish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so it goes down like this, you put a bearish engulfing candlestick. Next week we are gonna go a little bit more down, and maybe next week will be the end of the retracement, and then after 8 days we're gonna start to actually have a bit of relief to go to the upside once again. So you guys have to be very, very, very careful right now. Right now I don't even need to talk about Solana, to be honest with you. All I need to tell you is go and watch Bitcoin update, and you're gonna get the clue about Solana. When Bitcoin is gonna rest, Solana is going to rest. Okay, and the biggest support right now for Solana, though, even if it was to come down, it will be back to this level of resistance that it broken out of, and this will be acting as a big support at the $101. Okay, so even if you were to come down, $101 is going to be your main technical target. And if you do start to bounce off here, maybe go back up. If you start to lose this level, backtest and fail, then from there we're actually going to go even way more down. And that's it for this update. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more trading, if you've been following my channel for a long time now, I do have a course for you, just in case you don't know. And if you're new, do check it out. Play the video and look at the content that you're about to learn. 17 18 hours of content, so many things, ranging from trading psychology to market psychology to trading the charts and to money management as well. So that's it for the update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.